Hello, I'm Patrick Henley, the CEO of AMP, the leading technology company in the furniture industry. With the reality of no markets for the time being, we would like to introduce what we call remote selling. This merges existing screen sharing technology like Zoom with the other digital presentation tools. With that said, I'd like to introduce Mike Costa, AMP's Director of Customer Success. He will walk you through the easy steps to navigate this difficult time. Thank you very much and enjoy.
This is Mike with AMP, and I'm here to give you a quick introduction to how to sell furniture online. For this example, we're going to use a tool called Zoom, and you can find their website by going to zoom.us. From here, you can sign up for their free program. And this program will allow you to hold a meeting online using your computer's microphone and computer's camera if you wish to have that face-to-face interaction, as well as the ability to share your computer screen so you can browse a digital catalog or digital presentation that you've put together ahead of time. So we're going to dive into a couple of their tools in the setup here. So if you click sign up for free, it's going to give you a generic sign up form. Once you're done, you'll be able to download the program. And when you open up that program, it'll take you to a screen just like this. And we have a couple useful functions here, but we're going to go straight into starting a meeting. So let's click new meeting. That's going to activate my webcam here. I'll ask you if you want to use your computer's microphone or not, and we will. So now I'm in my digital meeting. I have a couple buttons in the bottom left corner where I can mute myself if I'm preparing and I'm not quite ready for my meeting, or if I want to turn off my camera and only use my microphone. Now I'm holding just a regular conference call where they can join up on your conference line that Zoom gives you and hold that voice call. Or we go back to that face-to-face interaction with the camera. But the coolest part about Zoom is the ability to share your screen. So to do that, we're going to click share screen at the bottom. It's going to ask what display you want to use. We're going to use my desktop here. So just share everything that's on my computer and click share. And now whoever joins my meeting will be able to see what I'm looking at as well. And at the same time, they can see my face while I'm going through the catalog with them. Now to invite your customer in, we're going to click on the participants button at the top. And then in the bottom left of this little window, we have an invite button. So let's give that a click. It's going to ask what email service you use. I use Gmail. And this will take you to your standard compose an email draft, where you can type in their email address. And then below, they'll have the information they need to join you. So a link to visit and a password if you set up a password or not. And it's as simple as that. So once they hit that link and join you, they'll be ready and seeing what you see on your computer screen. So when you have your computer screen live and you're walking through either the PowerPoint presentation or another digital tool, I have on my screen right now AMP Shop, and I've already pre-prepared my walkthrough here by setting my spring catalog, and I've filtered down to dining. I've just opened up a product page, and now I'm just going to flip through this digital catalog with them, giving them the information about these pieces and answering questions and going back and forth from there. So that's a very quick introduction to digital interfacing and holding your meeting with your client. If you have any questions on Zoom, feel free to reach out to AMP support, to our support@amptab.com email, or give us a ring. Hope that was helpful, and thank you for your time.